So, personal assumptions. Why people cheat? People cheat because it is more convenient. It is more efficient to know the answers than to study for the test. Relationships are filled with tests and they need solutions. People will jump over the test to get to a false end. As long as they finish under their terms, that's all that matters. After all, it is their test. However, in romantic relationships, to cheat is to exit. It brings about automatic loss. So when you are stepping out of the relationship and mating with someone outside of your current core relationship, it's you are basing your belief that maybe I can navigate life better on this other path, right? On this other path with this other woman on the other side of town. She does it for me. She's the one she's the one is the one that's the right person for me, because my current partner, she's really not, giving me everything I need. When it comes to men, it always has to do with sex. However, it could also have to have some relation to female aggression, and we talked about that in previous audio. For women, it could be, if the woman is a vain, entitled, privileged type woman, it could be finances, or it could be for a woman in terms of his aim and lack of ambition. There's a number of reasons why people leave step out of one place in their life and step into another place in their life. And remember, when you do that, those are two different paths. There is more certainty if you stay in the relationship, in the core relationship, whether it is marriage or long-term cohabitation, than to get out of it and go cheat with someone else. It's people who oftentimes cheat on tests, they are getting out of the path, off the path of learning, because to cheat is to not learn. So they are getting off the path of not learning anymore. They're stopping their learning process and progress, and they are deciding to cheat, which means you are not learning. And so those are two different paths, and the more you cheat and jump over hurdles and try to fast track your life, you're going to hit that brick wall.